If this works, it will truly revolutionize my
Same. I
ready
don't wear
process.
eyeliner because I can never get them both to look even.
It's really hard.
You guys are putting a lot of money on this.
If it works, it's a game changer.
You're really setting it up to either be great or to fail.
No.
No. It's a little sloppy.
Okay, take two. I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, that's a little
It's
better.
a little better.
Oh, it's much better. It's much better.
Oh.
You have the makings of a good wing.
Yeah, you would
I
just
think
need
you
to
did
connect. I haven't worn a cat eye since my sophomore year of college. I'm like very nervous that I'm gonna be triggered when I put it on my face. I mean, I guess that's like if I had eyeliner on.
Oh, yours looks good.
Oh!
To me, the benefit of using this is that the wings end up pretty much the same size, which is where I always run into it. Like one is up higher,
good on
one's
you, actually.
lower. I think my final verdict is worth it for the stamp,
Yeah.
but BYOE. Bring your own eyeliner.
And don't buy the large. I mean, it's true.